We find the product for you. Where to buy now? Nature's Way Extra Virgin Organic Coconut Oil, 32 ounce. Supplement facts. Recommendation: take 1 tablespoon, 14 grams, up to 4 times daily. For cooking, can be used in place of butter, margarine, shortening or other cooking oils for baking or frying in temperatures up to 350 Fahrenheit. No refrigeration necessary. Pure, expeller pressed, organic coconut oil, premium quality, extra virgin, unrefined and damp, unbleached from non-GMO coconuts, no solvents, hexane-free, non-hydrogenated, no trans fat. Variety of healthy uses: enjoy straight from the jar or supplement your diet by mixing into smoothies, spreading on bagels and toast, or adding to homemade energy bars. Be creative. The possibilities are endless. Delicious creamy taste / aroma of fresh coconuts. Natural energy, gluten-free, no artificial ingredients or preservatives. Satisfaction guaranteed. Supplement facts: Nature's Way Organic Coconut Oil. The best coconut oil. Where to buy coconut oil? Check the link in the description now.